Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. Many weeks ago, we planted some no-dig potatoes. What that meant in that process is we prepared the ground, flipped it over, and then we sat the potatoes that were sprouting on the ground, fertilized them, covered them with organic material, straws, leaves, chemical-free, seed-free grass clippings, and continued to mound that up in order to protect the potatoes from the sun exposure, and we let them be. The plants grew up through the organic material, sprouted, done their thing, flowered, and now have died off. These potatoes were ones in which we harvested a year ago. We harvested a whole bunch of them. We stored them, didn't use them all, and they got shriveled up, sprouted this spring, and instead of just throwing them away in the compost pile, we went ahead and planted them. So basically, like free potatoes. They're going to do more in the ground here than they would in the trash. So these have died down. You can still see some remnants of plant debris here. So we just had a little 3-foot by 4-foot area here. And all I'm going to do now is begin to gently rake back the straw here. And see there's a purple potato there. I'm using a 1-gallon grow bag from Root Maker here as my canister to hold these. I don't know what to expect. These were not watered at all. They were small going in, so I expect that these would be small coming out, but better free small potatoes than no potatoes at all. So I'm going to dig through here, harvest whatever's available, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we ended up getting for very to little no effort on our part. Okay, finally clean up what few small potatoes I see remaining here. So in that little area, we got maybe a pound, about that, of potatoes that we're going to be trash anyway. So on a larger scale, which we have done this in years past, it's worked really, really well when we've physically kept them watered and maintained them and kept helping them along. If you do this, let us know how you turn out with it. We find that this works much, much easier than physically digging up potatoes like you would traditionally do. We've done the in-ground potatoes in other gardens and it's worked very well. Here, in whatever combination we've tried, just hasn't worked very well in the traditional potato standard. So we went to the no dig, had some extra potatoes left over, and we got about a pound of potatoes that would have gone to waste. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time for more First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.